You know, quite a few of us and a growing number of people aren't real comfortable using some type of chemical or commercially sold product as a bug repellent. Hi, I'm Captain Joe Bruni, and what I'm going to talk about is how to make a natural type of bug repellent. A natural bug repellent can be made by mixing 1/3 cup of distilled water, 1/3 cup of cooking oil, such as olive oil, and then 20 drops of some type of oil, like peppermint, citronella, or eucalyptus oil. Place this mixture in some type of bottle and shake. The mixture can then be applied as some type of rub-on lotion or some type of spray-on bug repellent. It's a natural type of bug repellent that will repel most insects and doesn't contain any of the dangerous chemicals that many of us would prefer not to apply to our skin or clothing. I'm Captain Joe Bruni. Making this natural bug repellent is one way to avoid the worries of toxic chemicals. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.